Hello, in front of me I have Polar A370 and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this smartband. First, we need to wake up the screen on our smartband, and you can do it by pressing the side button right here. If you have a strap on your smartband, you will see that little bump on the silicone band right here on the bottom left side of the device. And once you press the side button, the screen will wake up. After you wake up the screen, you can swipe up or down on the screen to open the menu. Scroll through the menu until you find the settings icon and then tap on it to enter the settings. And in settings, scroll down, find the Do Not Disturb mode icon. This one looks like the moon. And to enable the mode, simply tap on this icon. You will see that the message that says Do Not Disturb mode on, and also the icon will change the color. And that's how you enable the mode. And once you enable it, you can always press the side button to go back to watch face. And on the watch face, you will also see the Do Not Disturb mode icon, which indicates that the mode is enabled. And to disable the mode, simply wake up the screen, open the menu, find the settings icon, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, find the Do Not Disturb mode icon and tap on it to disable it. You will see Do Not Disturb mode off message. The icon will go back to the gray color, and also if you go back to the watch face, you will see that the mode is disabled. And that's how you enable and how you disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this smartband. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.